My opinion for Kenneth Cabungcal, Mr. Supranational 2025 4th runner-up. Kahit na may mga nakikita akong nagbabash kay Kenneth, I believe deserve niya na mag-place as 4th runner-up. Kasi itong placement na to ay isang malaking karangalan para sa Pilipinas. Kaya congratulations, Kenneth Cabungcal. Ito na yung final question and answer sa top 5. So correct me if I'm wrong, yung pagkakaintindi ko sa question is, who is, quote-unquote, your inspiration that made you become a man today and why? Ito naman yung kanyang answer. So, i-rephrase ko, correct me if I'm wrong din. So, quote-unquote, that's simple. It's my parents. They are fishermen and it's them who made me become who am I today. And I want to have a dream to build them house, to give them everything, and to make them proud of me. So, thank you. O, para sa mga feeling Englisherong expert dyan na summa cum laude sa English language, baka ibabash nyo na naman yung pag-English ko ha. Kaya ito na yung recap. Yung winner as Mr. Supranational 2025 ay no other than France na talaga namang supermodel ang itsura niya, supermodel. The first runner-up naman ay from Curaçao. Yung second runner-up naman ay Mexico. Tapos, the third runner-up ay from Nigeria. And then, ang fourth runner-up ay no other than Kenneth Cabungcal from the Philippines. Before Mr. Supranational, i-represent din ni Kenneth Cabungcal ang Pilipinas sa Man of the World International Male Pageant, wherein first runner-up siya while Venezuela ay nag-winner dyan. So, meron na siyang international exposure prior sa Mr. Supranational. Alam mo ba na yung tipo ni Kenneth Cabungcal ang mabenta sa mga places like Europe, tapos pati na rin sa Thailand. Kasi kung titignan mo, Filipinong-Pilipino. Tapos ang ganda rin ng physique niya, matangkad siya, tapos chiseled yung katawan. Tapos yung pinaka-asset niya is yung moreno niya, the skin tone na Pilipinong-Pilipino talaga. Kaya katulad nito, so in-screenshot ko from a foreign pageant page or group na gusto talaga nila yung tipo ni Kenneth Cabungcal by the looks of his physique, yung chiseled body niya, matangkad siya, tapos yung kulay talaga niya na moreno, na Pilipinong-Pilipino, na patok talaga sa mga foreign countries. Meron pang nagbiro na, can you please give me your bank account so I could transfer? O, diba? So, correct me na lang sa pag-translate ko if I'm wrong. Tapos, foreigner ang nagsabi niya na if ever man na makapasok si Kenneth Cabungcal sa top 5, hindi daw sila magagalit. I will not be angry. O, di ba? Let us congratulate Kenneth Cabungcal for placing as 4th runner